Which browser really keeps you safe online? Today we're looking at 3 popular choices: LibreWolf, Firefox, and Brave. Let's see which one protects your privacy the most. LibreWolf is based on Firefox, but with all the privacy stuff cranked up to 11. It removes all telemetry. That means no data gets sent back to Mozilla or anyone else. LibreWolf comes with uBlock Origin already installed, which blocks ads and trackers. It also deletes cookies and browsing data automatically when you close it. LibreWolf updates regularly to stay secure, but it can break some websites because of how strict it is. Some sites might not work properly because LibreWolf blocks so much stuff. Firefox is made by Mozilla and it's been around for years. It has some good privacy features built in. Firefox blocks most tracking cookies and stops websites from following you around the internet. But there is the thing: Firefox still collects data about you. It sends info about how you use the browser back to Mozilla. This is called telemetry. You can turn this off, but most people don't know how to do it. Firefox also connects to Google by default for search and safe browsing checks. So while it's better than Chrome, it's not perfect for privacy. Brave takes a different approach. It blocks ads and trackers right out of the box. You don't need to install extra add-ons or change settings. Brave also has a cool feature, but it can pay you for viewing ads if you want. But Brave has had some issues. They've been caught adding their own affiliate codes to website links without telling users. Brave also uses Chromium, which is made by Google. Some people don't like this because Google still has some control over web standards. Brave does collect less data than regular Chrome, but it's not completely private. So which one wins? For most people who want good privacy without hassle, Brave is a solid choice. If you want the best privacy possible and don't mind some websites breaking, LibreWolf is your best bet. Firefox is good if you want something familiar that you can customize yourself. The bottom line, all 3 are way better than Chrome or Edge for privacy. Pick the one that fits how you browse the web. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.